Hello students, welcome to my channel Eduscription. Today I will talk about the brief introduction of first year syllabus, that is your first semester, second semester of Biju Patnaik University of Technology, which is same for all branches. So this is the syllabus of the first year 2018-19 Biju Patnaik University of Technology. I've already shared the link below the description, so you can download the syllabus from that link. So this is the syllabus. So we'll now move for the syllabus of the first year. Okay, now you will see this is the AICTE model curriculum of where the break off of the semester wise the credit point is given. If you will see, this is all total 160 is the credit you have to clear to get the bachelor of degree. So if we come to the course structure of the first year engineering, there are all total 7 columns are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In the first is the category, second is the course code, the course title, this is LTP, L for the lecture, T is the tutorial, P is the practical. Here it is the credit system, university marks, internal evaluation. I have already a separate video regarding the credits, CGPA, SGPA, university and internal evaluation and the semester exam pattern. Another video is there, you can go for that one. Okay, now we'll move for the category. The BS stands for the basic science courses, where this is the course code. Always try to remember the course code, because the course code is the most important one, because course always changes in 3 to 4 years. So to remember the course code, this is the mathematics one. Now look MA1, this is the mathematics one. Here credit is 3. You have to give more emphasis on credit 3. Why? Just see my next video regarding on that one, CGPA, SGPA. You can know what is the value of the credit. Okay, the university marks for all subjects is 100, and for internal evaluation that is 50. Then again, basic science courses is either physics or chemistry. If you will have physics on the first semester, then in the second semester you will have the chemistry. This is the code PH and this is the CH. Again the credit is 3. Then ES is your engineering science courses, where you will find basic electrical engineering or basic electronics engineering. See, this is BE and this is BL. Your credit is 2. Okay, then another engineering science courses is basic mechanical engineering or basic civil engineering. Here it is again the credit is 2. Then HS is your the humanities and social science, where it is a communicative English, your credit is 2. And the last one is the mandatory course. This is the induction training program. You have attended these classes in the first year, first semester, when you have first to the colleges. So there will be no exam, so no credit, nothing is there. You have to just attend these classes. So all total 12 is the credit point in the first semester. Now we'll move for the practicals. If you will see the subject, whatever you will have physics, then you have the physics lab whose credit is 1. Here you look, the practical is the 3 hours. Then engineering science courses, you have basic electrical and basic civil engineering, again the credit is 1. Again the second engineering courses, you have basic mechanical and basic civil engineering, then credit is 1. Here it is the another one, yes, engineering drawing and workshop you will find in every colleges. Here look, here credit point is 2, so you have to give more emphasis on this one. And the humanity science English language lab, whose credit is 1. You don't have any semester exam, you have only the internal evaluation, which is of 100 marks, all 100 marks. So total credit, practical credit is 6, theory was 12, so it makes us the 18 credit. Okay, so now we'll move for the second semester. So in the second semester, in the first semester you will have 5 subjects in place. In second semester you will have the 6 subjects. Then again science, the basic science courses BS, this is mathematics 2, so MA2, this is mathematics 2, again credit is 3. Then for engineering science courses, there is an extra subject. This is the extra subject what we will find. This is the engineering mechanics, whose credit is 3. Then the basic science courses, you have the physics, chemistry. In engineering science you have already basic electrical or basic electronics, having credit 2. Then again engineering science courses, basic mechanical or basic civil into. In place of English, in the second semester you will get the programming, which I did 3. You will find 1 2 3 four 3 credit subjects. University marks remain all same, internal all same. So here credit point is 16 theory credit point, where in the first semester it was 12. Okay, then you will go for the practical. Physics lab, it is 1. Basic electrical, it is 1. Basic mechanical, basic 1. Engineering graphics, look, this is the credit 2, and the programming C is the credit 2. So to give more emphasis on this one, so marks written, so this is all 7, this is 16, so all total 23 in the second semester. So in the first year the total is 41. You need to get the certificate, you need 160 credit point, where 41 is itself in the first year. So this is all about the first year syllabus. Do subscribe us for all updates, information, subject, classes, practicals in your engineering courses. So thank you so much.